Welcome to Product Critique, where today we're diving into the OSTBA electric food slicer, renowned as the best deli meat cutter on the market. This slicer combines precision, safety, and efficiency, making it a must-have for any home chef looking to elevate their culinary skills. Let's explore why this slicer stands out from the rest. The OSTBA electric food slicer is designed to slice various foods with precision, from meats to cheeses and even bread. It features a 7.5-inch stainless steel serrated blade powered by a robust 150 watts, ensuring consistent and sharp cuts every time you use it. Easily adjust slicing thickness from paper thin to 3/4 of an inch to suit your culinary needs. Equipped with a dual safety lock system, requiring simultaneous pressing of the safety lock and power button to start, ensuring safe operation. The slicer is designed with removable parts, blade, food carriage, slide rod extension, and food pusher, making cleaning a breeze. Its seamless construction and removable ring guard cover prevent debris buildup. Non-slip suction cup feet keep the slicer stable during use, providing peace of mind while slicing. OSTBA is trusted for its commitment to quality and innovation in kitchen appliances. The OSTBA electric food slicer exemplifies this with its durable build, user-friendly features, and superior slicing performance. In conclusion, the OSTBA electric food slicer is more than just a kitchen appliance. It's a tool that empowers you to create restaurant-quality meals at home. Whether you're slicing meats, cheeses, or bread, this slicer ensures precision and efficiency with every use. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations from Product Critique. Happy slicing!